Hi guys, welcome to this live coding session. In this live coding session, I'm going to use awk, the programming language of Linux, uh, to find the maximum integer value in a file. So if we have a file that has a field uh, that has integer, for example, uh, 121, 12, 10, 1900, 2000, 200, 210, 21, 21, 9999. So we have a file like this and we want to find the maximum integer in that file. A file can be file can be large, but I'm using a small file just for demonstration, that we can use awk to find the maximum integer value in that file, in that column. So if I write something like this, awk start with awk, and as the number is the first field, $1 is the field number, and dollar represents the field number, the position of the field, and 1 is the first position. It is the first position. Is greater than max num. I'm declaring a max num variable. If it is greater than max num, then dollar max num is equal to $1. And when all entire file has been processed, then print maximum value in file is max num, and file name .txt. So you saw that it provided me with the maximum value in my file num.txt is double line, and double line is indeed the maximum value. So for example, if I modify this to, in a case, to have name of a person, and name of a person, and the maximum number of money he has saved over the years, and maximum number of rupees of savings that he has. So I'm going to create a file where there is a name of that person, and there is in next column there is the amount that he has saved over 1 year. Suppose we are guessing taking 1 year. So this is our file where this is the name of the person, name of the person, and this is his savings that he has done is this year. So what I'm going to do, my task is to find out the name of the person and the name of the person who has done the maximum saving in that year. So I'm going to modify the awk program a bit. I'm going to say as the number has moved to second column, I'm going to write number $2 is greater than max number, then max num is equal to again $2, end it, and name of person is equal to $1, because the name is present at position number 1. And while when all the when you have processed in the entire file, then print print name of person and name of person and max number, and that is savings. And I'm in India, I'm using INR as the value, as the amount, and that is the saving amount. In different countries, for example in USA we are going to use dollar, in some places we are going to use dinar or ruble and something like that. In India I'm using Indian rupees. So print name of person, and this statement, name of person space this arrow and this max number, then a space, then I have written INR. So this print function will automatically concatenate all the strings, and we don't have to do anything for that. And I'm going to in this parameters, and I'm going to pass the name of the function, name of the file. So maximum value, maximum money is with maximum savings is with Sobhit, that, and he has saved 9,999 rupees. So you saw that how I used this awk function to find the maximum number in a file, and I will be making more programming. I will be demonstrating more programming code in the future. So if you want to keep updated with that, you can subscribe my channel, and see you in next video, and thank you for watching.